Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the Aussie dollar US dollar FX for Thursday, August 16th, 2012. Well, a change of trend today in a candle with a higher high and a higher low. Previous day's trading we had the trend continuing down, but we had the white body candle that I suggested that there was potential for a change of trend. It was a hammer type pattern, not exactly a hammer but a hammer type pattern, and it did suggest that there was potential for the market to take out the high and create a higher high and higher low, but also it was a harami bullish reversal pattern, and that's where we have a prior downtrend. Always a trend is required for the Japanese candlestick patterns, reversal patterns, and we had the body of this candle engulfed within the body of the previous candle, black body candle previously, white body candle for that day's trading. For the previous day's trading we also saw the sellers lose commitment around the 104.50 area and the buyers take control of the market on the day, and that has led to this change of trend. Now, having said that, however, if we look at where the market has closed above the previous close, it's only just slightly above. So we haven't really seen the buyers showing a lot of keenness here, even though they were able to extend the market past the previous high. But we also have a much smaller body, and it does suggest that even though the trend has changed, that the buyers haven't maintained the momentum that they had for the previous day. So it does raise some doubt about continuation of the trend to the upside. We do, however, have a larger shadow on the bottom, and that does represent the sellers losing commitment, so that is significant. And we've also seen the buyers close the market between the midpoint level and the high, suggesting that they've taken control again of the market throughout the trading day, but it's only fairly weak control. If we look at the current candle here that's still trading, that isn't complete, it does suggest that there will be continuation of the trend to the upside. We have taken out the previous high and do have a higher low, so it seems as though we will have a higher high and higher low, but that candle hasn't completed trading for the day yet. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci extension, and now that the market's trending up, we're examining the relationship of the current first time frame uptrend to the previous time the market was trending up, and here we see a rejection from the 78.6% level, a close just at the 61.8% level, and again for this current candle there's developing price rejection from that area, so there is potential for a change of trend because of that. It still is early days, only a one candle uptrend, but let's watch the low of the current candle for any potential test down to lower levels, and really we do or would require the sellers to take control of the market at the moment for there to be a potential for a change of trend. And just looking at the Fibonacci retracement of the prior downtrend, and here we see a rejection from the 50% the 31.8% level, just above the 23.6 here for today's trading, and the current candle as it's developing, we've had rejection from that level and also from the 50% level that the market has tested to today, so that could be significant. If this current candle, as I've said, turns out to be a fairly bearish candle, then it would set the market up for a potential change of trend, but certainly that candle hasn't finished developing yet. We do need to watch how that candle ends up and trade that accordingly. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, we have a bullish market in the long-term time frame by trading above the cloud, bullish in the medium-term time frame by trading above the Kijun-sen, but still bearish in the short-term time frame by trading below the Tenkan-sen, the green line here. And just interestingly, the market has, for today's trading, attempted to rally to the Tenkan-sen and found resistance there. And for this candle it's currently developing, the market is finding resistance around that level. So I'd say that that level there at the Tenkan-sen, currently trading at 105.33, is crucial to this market. I suggest that if we do see a bullish breakout and a bullish close up above there for tomorrow's trading, then the market certainly does have potential to test up to the 106 strong level of resistance. But if we do see the market come off, then the 104.50 level is a very, very important level of support, and we should watch that over the next couple of days.